While intellectual property issues may sometimes get brushed aside during the early stages of a business, developing a diligent and intelligent IP strategy early on is super important. To do that, startup companies should evaluate the types of intellectual property that can impact their business and strategically consider pursuing basic IP protections as appropriate. The most common and useful ones are patent, trademark, and copyright protections. In this video, we're going to exclusively look at patents, and we'll check out the others in later videos. We'll go over what they are, what you need them for, and why it may or may not be a good idea for your startup. Not every startup business can afford or should invest the scant resources they do have in building a patent portfolio. But if you can, having a patent protection would safeguard your own business and inventions from your competitors, and help avoid the risk of being exposed to allegations of patent infringement by competitors and other third parties. Given how dicey patent protections can get, it's super important to understand the different kinds of patent protection and how they may be of use to your business. If you believe that your intellectual property or your startup's big idea needs a patent to protect against copycats or anything of that sort, just file an application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. When a patent application is first filed, an examiner is assigned to it. The examiner will reject or allow claims based on an assessment of their patentability, and the patent applicant will have an opportunity to respond to the examiner's decisions. This back and forth with the patent office, known as prosecution, can take a number of years and is best done by an experienced patent attorney who understands the procedures, the legal requirements, and the art of drafting strong patent claims. Because applying for a patent often requires an expert's help and can take many, many years, it's not always the best option for new startups because outside help and time cost money, and money is a very limited resource for most startups that is best used elsewhere. If you do decide that the patent is a good move for your company, find capital from investors and start the process real quick and don't delay.